Slovakia, the land of castles, untouched wilderness and rich traditions. From the high Tatras to medieval fortresses, from folk dances to healing spas, the country offers countless hidden gems, all close and easy to explore. The capital city, Bratislava, or as many say, the Pearl on the Danube, sits at the crossroads of Europe, just a short trip from Vienna, Prague and Budapest. The city boasts diverse accommodation, from historic hotels to modern luxury. Bratislava's culinary scene blends Hungarian, Austrian and Slovak flavors, with local wines like Devín and Dunaj complementing the experience. As a city of culture and academia, Bratislava is home to world-class opera, philharmonic music and theatres. Bratislava is also home to several public and private universities, including Comenius University in Bratislava, the host of the next CERME conference. The main venue will be located close to the Botanical Garden, at the Faculty of Mathematics, Physics and Informatics, easily accessible by public transport within 10 minutes from city center. The venue has been recently renovated, offering spacious and barrier-free rooms, relaxation areas, and is surrounded by several restaurants and canteens. We are looking forward to welcoming you to Bratislava in February 2027, so save the date.